Did you know that thyme and rosemary not only enhance your meals but also offer numerous health benefits? Let's dive into the world of medicinal herbs. In this video, you'll learn how to grow thyme and rosemary, two popular herbs that are perfect for beginners and can elevate your cooking. These herbs are not just great for flavoring your food, they also come with a ton of medicinal properties. So, whether you want to spice up your dishes or tap into the wellness benefits, you're in the right place. Many people find it challenging to grow herbs at home, often due to a lack of knowledge about their specific needs and care. It's super common to feel overwhelmed when starting your own herb garden, especially if you're not sure where to begin. You might be asking yourself questions like, what kind of soil do they need? Or how much sunlight do I have to give them? This uncertainty can lead to frustration and even give up on the idea altogether. But don't worry, today, we're gonna break this down step by step, making it easy for you to cultivate these beautiful herbs right at home. So, let's explore the ideal growing conditions for thyme and rosemary. First up is soil type. These herbs thrive in well-draining soil, so make sure to choose a potting mix that allows for good drainage, or you can even try mixing in some sand for added texture. Next, let's talk about sunlight requirements. Both thyme and rosemary love the sun. Ideally, they should get about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. So, place them in a sunny window or outside if the weather permits. Watering is another important factor. You want to be careful not to overwater. Herbs like these prefer to dry out a bit between watering. A good rule of thumb is to check the top inch of soil. If it's dry, it's time to give them a drink. And, of course, keep an eye out for common pests like aphids. If you spot them, a simple soap and water solution can help get rid of them without using harsh chemicals. Now, here comes the key moment. Let's get into the step-by-step process of planting and maintaining these herbs. First, you'll want to choose a pot with drainage holes. Fill it with your well-draining soil, then take your thyme or rosemary plant and gently remove it from its nursery pot. Place it in the center of your new pot and backfill with soil, gently pressing it down to eliminate any air pockets. Once planted, give it a good watering to help settle the soil. As your herbs grow, make sure to trim them regularly. This not only encourages bushier growth but also helps prevent them from becoming leggy. When you're ready to harvest, simply snip off what you need, and don't be afraid to use them fresh in your cooking. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the taste of herbs you've grown yourself. To wrap up, we've covered the essential steps to successfully grow thyme and rosemary. Remember, choose the right soil, give them plenty of sunlight, water appropriately, and keep an eye out for pests. Growing these herbs is incredibly rewarding, and having fresh thyme and rosemary at your fingertips can really elevate your culinary creations. Plus, you'll be reaping all those amazing health benefits too. Don't forget to check out my other videos on herb gardening, and leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with growing thyme and rosemary. I'd love to hear how your herb garden is coming along, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.